Dito guys, may load na par. Wait guys, wait guys, wait guys. Ganyan lang. Tignan natin par kung palpak to, palpak or paldog. Wala mo nang gahaman. Awa, tignan nyo lang guys, ang float guys! Guys!